The sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico.
A pair of SB Dunks right here, guys. These are the Why So Sads. Got these in like probably 4 or 5 months ago. No, 6 actually. 6 months ago. Swoosh was fading a lot, so I just ended up acetoning the swoosh completely off, making it yellow. I think it looks decent. Like the blue better, but nothing I can do about that because it will fade eventually. But I want to do something cool. So I've seen all over TikTok and YouTube shorts a double lace where they put the 2 pairs of laces. SB Dunks come with 2. They come with a white and a navy blue pair. I wish they come with a red. I would triple lace it, or yellow triple lace. But double lacing's hard with SB laces. So I have currently actually done it with this pair right here. As you can see, looks pretty sick. They're like big chunky laces. SB laces are already chunky, so I just want to make them chunkier. Put double lacing on them. I think it looks really good. The shoe completely looks different from the factory when you do this modifications, double lacing, take off the swoosh. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So I did this as one shoe already. So what you're gonna do is SB Dunks come with 2 pairs of laces. Comes with 2 pairs. So we got the other pair of white laces, as you can already do that with that shoe. So what you're gonna do is you're completely gonna unlace this. You gotta completely unlace it. Okay, so the shoe's completely unlaced now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a screwdriver like this. Don't do this if you're gonna sell them again. Just don't double lace them if you're gonna sell them again, because it'll be really hard to get the laces off. And we're gonna make the lace holes a little bit bigger, since it should be about, you can also put rope laces in there. Go ahead, buy rope laces or black rope laces. It'll be like a 3 or 4 millimeter hole, because you really want them to fit through. On this pair right here, I actually ended up, for this whole half of the shoe, shoving it in, and my fingers are like dead because I was putting so much pressure. I think this is just an easier way. Just get the screwdriver. Okay, so what you're gonna do basically is you're gonna get the screwdriver and you're going to put it in the rope plate hole, and you're gonna twist it all the way through like so, and it makes the hole just a teeny bit bigger. So you're gonna do that through the whole shoe.
Off the liquor I feel, off the liquor I feel, off the liquor I feel, off the liquor I feel evil.
Once that's done, you'll go through from a 3 millimeter hole to a 6 millimeter hole. So it'll go up a little bit. I would recommend don't use a hole puncher, just because it will actually ruin the shoe, and the value will go down. Note there's a little flap here for the lace, for the first lace 2 holes. Just be careful, because this could tear. It is leather, but just be careful about it. Once you've done that, you're gonna do the same thing with these through the same hole. And you've done those, you've punched those holes, so it should be a little bit easier. First thing should look like. Also, don't be scared to put pressure on the lace tips when you're putting them through. They will not fray or anything, because they're SB laces and they're meant to be like, they're skate shoes, so they're more stronger than normal laces. Normal laces, this would probably tear or like strip a little bit, but just don't be afraid to put a little pressure. Also, once you have all of the like that's what it should look like, the first little thing. You want to get all of these lace tips to be basically not all the same height. They don't have to all be the same height, but basically all the same length, like that. So yeah, there should be four laces that you're holding onto right now. Have them like that, you're gonna just pull them all the way through. Just do that all the way up to the shoe, and then once you get here, I'll tell you what to do. Disclaimer: when you're doing this, just beware that you cannot tie them normally. It would be a loose lace, so just beware of that. So what you're gonna do next is you're just gonna feed them through this. If you don't feed them through this, the tongue will go way down, and it won't fit comfortably. So just put them through this, even if you don't like the look of it. You kind of have to. It kind of hides it a little bit, like you can't really see it, but yeah, just do that. Be the finished results on here. As I said earlier, you will have to have a loose lace on this. You cannot tie them. I mean, unless you want them really tight, you cannot tie them. Let me know if y'all want these, because I can make more, put them on my website. Let me know if you want any rope lace tutorials, and if you want any rope lace shoes that you want to buy on my website, link on my YouTube. And if you want a tutorial on this right here, this yellow swoosh, it's really easy. Just get acetone or rubbing alcohol, basically. Tape it off. You have to tape it off, or the blue paint from this will rub onto the nubuck here, and that's, you can't really get that out. As you can see, I did a little bit there. Just leaked a little bit. Can't really notice that, but then you rub it off with acetone and the tape or the paint should go off. It's meant to do that. So I think it's really looks kind of cool. I think it contrasts with the yellow there and the yellow there. Cool, but if you don't really like it, just do it on the inside and test it out on the inside first, I'd say. See if you like it, then do it on the outside. I straight up went on the outside. Should have done it on the inside first because you can't go back now. But if you do it on the inside, you can still wear them and not really noticeable, but still like them. If you want a pair like this, comment down below. So it took me about 2.5 hours to fully finish with this and the rope laces and everything, because I did have to punch holes and stuff like that. So yeah, comment if you like them. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. See you in the next video. Peace.